Where's Eli? Welcome back to Fixin Frenzy. Today we're gonna
clean this, and we got vinegar that's gonna help us.
Vinegar works for everything. I actually did try it already, and you can see how clean that side of my stove is,
guys,
and how greasy that. Look how greasy that is.
Guys,
and that's from like trying to clean it with other products.
Guys, these are my new shoes. They're Vans skateboard shoes. So I'm about to go skateboarding today at a skate park. Cool.
Okay, so I'm just gonna jump right into it. First thing you want to do is put on some gloves.
I'm gonna put some gloves on too. It's
Infinity Gauntlet.
I got the Infinity Stone.
We're just gonna pour some on here. I'm gonna use my thumb to apply pressure to here. But even when you don't apply too much pressure,
Mom,
you can see that it's coming off.
Mom,
You just, I mean, to get it really, really clean, you gotta
Mommy,
apply pressure. So it's gonna take a long time if you have a lot like mine. So now I'm gonna give this towel to Eli so he can do some.
Yay!
Grease. Eli is gonna clean it. This is where it's wet. This is where you're gonna put your fingers. There you go. Look at that.
That looks clean right here.
Yeah. And then we're gonna clean a little bit with the paper towel because vinegar stinks.
Yep.
It actually smells like salt and vinegar chips.
Yep.
Salt and vinegar, salt and vinegar. Using my thumb. I also use the palm of my hands and go like that.
It's new, Mom.
I find that the more vinegar you put on your towel, the easier it is for that first round. Woo! Using my thumb now. This side is looking very good now. Once you have this clean, just start using vinegar every time, you know, to not let it get bad. And it won't be hard.
Skateboarding on my back. It feels so good on my head. Because it's like a pillow. But it's hard though. You should not do this. Yeah, don't do this, kids, but you can if you want. Yeah, do it.
Don't be afraid to put vinegar on your hand towel. Use a lot. Apply pressure. Under pressure. We're all done. So I only did that part, which now looks so clean.
Everything looks clean. It looks like a new stove.
Okay, so this is the left side of the stove that you just saw me do that was all super greasy. This was the first part that I did, that I tried to do a comparison. So it's looking super good. So that was it, guys. It's not like super easy, but it's super cheap. This is a ½ gallon of vinegar, which you can get from Dollar Tree. So I got like 4. There we go. My stove looks clean. Thank you guys for watching. Please share if you like. If you have any other tips for what you do to clean your stove or what you use vinegar for, leave a comment down below. Okay, bye.
Bye, guys. We're about to go skateboarding at the skate park. So bye.
I think we have to do it outside. Cool.
Comment down below.
Maybe I should Google it.
Smash that like button, hit that subscribe button. 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 Smash that like button, hit that subscribe